Hello children, welcome to English class. Today we are going to start our English class. So, do you know which is our textbook? See, we have two textbooks, book A and book B. In your textbook, you have three subjects: English, EVS and Maths. In this one textbook, you have English, EVS and Maths. So, today we are going to start our first chapter of English. Okay, what is the name of our first chapter? Listen, lesson 1, Tia's scrapbook. Lesson 1, Tia's scrapbook. Are you small children or big children? Yeah, you all are small children, isn't it? So, here is also a small child. Her name is Tia. What is the name of the small child? Tia. So, Tia is a small girl, and today we are going to discuss about Tia. So, what is the name of our chapter? Lesson 1, Tia's scrapbook. Lesson 1, Tia's scrapbook. So, what is the name of our little girl? Tia. Tia is the name of our little girl. Now, I am going to tell you something about Tia. Okay. Here in this chapter, Tia is saying that Tia has a scrapbook. What do you mean by scrapbook? What is a scrapbook? Scrapbook means it is a book, and in that book you can do many activities, like you can draw pictures, you can paste pictures, and you can paste your fingerprints, etc. So, that book is called scrapbook. Our Tia also have a scrapbook. Tia. So, we are going to discuss about Tia's scrapbook. Tia's scrapbook. So, I will show you what a scrapbook is. So, children, did you see the video of scrapbook? So, you also can make a scrapbook. Our Tia has a scrapbook. So, let us see the scrapbook of our Tia. So, listen. Lesson 1, Tia's scrapbook. Tia's scrapbook. Look at this picture. This is a scrapbook. What is this? This is a scrapbook. You can draw and write in a scrapbook. You can also stick pictures in a scrapbook. So, in the video, we saw that we can paste and draw pictures in a scrapbook. So, this is our Tia's scrapbook. You can also stick pictures in a scrapbook. Now listen, tick the things that you would like to draw or stick in your scrapbook. Here we can see some pictures. You can draw and stick pictures in your scrapbook. Now here is a question for you. Tick the things that you would like to draw or stick in your scrapbook. You are going to make a scrapbook, okay? And if you like to draw or stick the picture of a leaf, you have to put a tick mark here. If you don't like the leaves, don't do that. Look here. Here we can see a flower. If you like to draw or paste the picture of a flower in your scrapbook, then put a tick mark here. Then look here. Can you see some fingerprints here? Okay. If you like to draw or stick the picture of these fingerprints, you can put a tick mark. Here also we can see the pencil sharpenings. So if you like to draw or paste any flower with this pencil sharpenings, you can put tick mark. Okay. Now listen. Look here. Meet Tia. She wants to show you her scrapbook. So who is this? This is our Tia. I told you about a little girl. Okay. Name Tia. Tia. So this is the little girl Tia. Who is this? This is Tia. Can you see a book in her hand? This is her scrapbook. This is Tia and this is Tia's scrapbook. Hi, I am Tia. This is my scrapbook. Would you like to see it? So, Tia is saying, hi, I am Tia. Hi, I am Tia. This is my scrapbook. So, what is the name of this book? Scrapbook. What is this? Scrapbook. Say once again. Scrapbook. What is the name of this little girl? Tia. What is the name of this book? Scrapbook. Tia's scrapbook. Hi, I am Tia. This is my scrapbook. This is Tia's scrapbook. Would you like to see it? See, listen. This is Tia's scrapbook and inside this scrapbook there are many pages and she did so many activities in the scrapbook. Do you want to see the scrapbook? Tia is asking, would you like to see it? Tia is asking to you. Hi, I am Tia. This is my scrapbook. Would you like to see it? Tia is ready to show her scrapbook. Okay. And this is the next page. Listen. Look at the picture. This is the pages of Tia's scrapbook. This is the pages of our Tia's scrapbook. Look at the first page. Who is here? Tia. What she is doing here? She is singing, isn't it? She pasted a photograph of herself and she is singing, isn't it? Listen. This is me. So Tia is saying, this is me. This is me. That means this is Tia. This is me. These are my handprints. Look here. The next page, we can see the handprints of Tia. Can you see the handprints of Tia? Yes, this is Tia's scrapbook. This is the first page. There you can see the picture of Tia. This is me. These are my handprints. These are her handprints. I love to sing and dance. Tia loves to sing and dance. She's singing here, isn't it? She loves to sing and dance. So once again, this is me. Me means this is Tia. This is me. These are my handprints. These are my handprints. I love to sing and dance. Tia loves to sing and dance. Look here. This is the next pages of her scrapbook. Look here. These are my grandparents. Look at the pictures. These are my grandparents. Tia's grandparents. This is Tia's grandmother and this is Tia's grandfather. So what is the name of Tia's book? Scrapbook. Tia's scrapbook. Tia is showing the pages of her scrapbook. In her first page, we can see Tia's picture and the handprints of Tia. In the next page, we can see the pictures of her grandparents. Grandparents means grandfather, grandmother and grandfather. Look here. What is the grandmother doing here? Who is this? This is her grandmother. What she is doing here? She is reading books, isn't it? The grandmother is reading books. My grandmother loves reading books. So, Tia's grandmother loves reading books. Tia's grandmother loves reading books. What does she love? She loves reading books. Look at the next picture. Who is this? Tia's grandfather. What he is doing here? My grandfather loves gardening. So, Tia's grandfather loves gardening. I help him water the plants. So, Tia's grandfather is watering plants here. Sometimes Tia also help him to water the plants. Understand? So, we saw the pictures of Tia's scrapbook. Tia pasted the different pictures in her scrapbook. What is the first picture? What was the first picture? Tia's picture. This is me. And in the second page, we can see the handprints of Tia. These are my handprints. I love to sing and dance. Tia loves to sing and dance. Tia loves to sing and dance. And in the next page, we can see the pictures of Tia's grandparents. Tia's grandmother and grandfather. These are my grandparents. My grandmother loves reading books. So, grandmother loves reading books. She tells me many stories. So, Tia's grandmother tells many stories. Do you have grandmother in your home? Does your grandmother tell stories? Okay. So, here our Tia's grandmother loves reading books. She tells me many stories. Look at the next picture. This is Tia's grandfather. My grandfather loves gardening. I help him water the plants. My grandfather loves gardening. Tia's grandfather loves gardening. I help him water plants. Tia helped him to water the plants. Do you understand? So, what did we study today? We discussed about the little girl Tia. What is the name of Tia's book? Scrapbook. Tia's scrapbook. What do you mean by scrapbook? What all things are there inside the scrapbook? There are many pictures. You can draw pictures, paste pictures, and you can do anything inside your scrapbook. Today, Tia show her scrapbook. In Tia's scrapbook, what all things did we see? We saw the picture of Tia, then Tia's handprints. Do you like to make handprints? So, you also try to make handprints by putting a hand in a paint or ink. Okay, that is how you can make your handprints. So, Tia, we saw the handprints of Tia. In the next page, Tia pasted the picture of her grandparents, her grandfather and grandmother. Grandmother is reading books. Her grandfather likes to water the plants, and grandmother loves reading books. Understand? Now, all of you read with me. Okay. Hi, I am Tia. Read with me. Hi, I am Tia. This is my scrapbook. This is my scrapbook. Would you like to see it? Would you like to see it? Once again, hi, I am Tia. This is my scrapbook. Would you like to see it? What is this? Scrapbook. Scrapbook. Now listen. This is me. This is me. These are my handprints. This is me. These are my handprints. I love to sing and dance. Are you reading with me? Hello children, are you reading with me? Read with me. This is me. These are my handprints. I love to sing and dance. Now, look at the next one. These are my grandparents. Grandparents. These are my grandparents. My grandmother loves reading books. My grandmother loves reading books. She tells me many stories. She tells me many stories. Are you reading? Okay. My grandfather loves gardening. Gardening. Grandfather. My grandfather loves gardening. I help him water the plants. I help him water the plants. See children, you have to read these 2 pages 5 times. Okay, read these 2 pages 5 times. Now today we studied some new words. Today we learned some new words. Listen here. Tia. Read this. Tia. T-I-A. Tia. T-I-A. Tia. Then scrapbook. How to read? Scrapbook. Scrapbook. The next word, handprints. Handprints. Grandparents. Grandparents. Grandfather. Grandfather. Grandmother. Grandmother. Stories. Gardening. Once again, read with me. See, read these words 5 times. Okay, Tia. Read 5 times. Tia. Finished? Okay, the next word, scrapbook. 5 times. Scrapbook. Okay, the next word, handprints. Handprints. 5 times. Okay, the next one, grandparents. Grandparents. Read 5 times. Grandparents. Okay, the next word, grandfather. Grandfather. Next one, grandmother. Grandmother. Next word, stories. Stories. The next word, gardening. Gardening. Tia, scrapbook, handprints, grandparents, grandfather, grandmother, stories, gardening. So, you have to read these words. Don't study the spellings. You have to read these words. Read 5 times. Okay? Read 5 times. Read only. Okay. Then, now write and study. Write and study Tia and scrapbook. Spelling of Tia and scrapbook. Okay, children, understand? Write and study the spellings. You have to study only 2 spellings. Tia and scrapbook. What is the spelling of Tia? T-I-A. Tia. T-I-A. Tia. Then scrapbook. What is the spelling of scrapbook? S-C-R-A-P. Scrap. B-O-O-K. Book. Scrapbook. S-C-R-A-P. Scrap. B-O-O-K. Book. Study the spelling of Tia and scrapbook. Then new words you read and study. How to read? Read and study. You have to study how to read these words because these are the new words. Then you have to study the spelling of Tia and scrapbook. Okay, children? Understand? Children, what did we study today? We discussed about Tia. Tia is a little girl like you. So we discussed about Tia. Tia's scrapbook. We saw the different 2 pages of Tia's scrapbook. The first page we saw picture of Tia and her thumb fingerprints. Then in the next page we saw the picture of Tia's grandparents. And there are some more pages. In Tia's scrapbook we can see some more pictures. The coming pages there are a lot of activities that we will discuss in the next class. Okay, we will discuss in the next class. So the new words you have to read and study. And spellings, Tia and scrapbook, you have to study the spelling of Tia and scrapbook. Okay children, now listen here. See, this is a 4-line book. This is your English notebook. This is your English notebook, and you have to write English notes in 4-line book. Okay. Now I am going to give you one assignment. Take your first page and you have to write date here, and you have to write A to Z in this page. Capital A, small a, capital B, small b, like that. You have to write A to Z. Okay? Okay, thank you. We will meet in the next class. So take your English notebook and you have to write date here. Write date here, then write the heading A, okay, then A, B, C, then up to Z. Okay.